Eric Barth's '67 Shelby GT500 Mustang powers out of Sauk City, Wisconsin as one of the hottest ponies we've seen to date. With production numbers sitting at 2,025 units, this Stang is not only potent, but another rare find. The original 427 big block is fitted with all the right stuff, including 11-to-1 Aries racing pistons, Le Mans rods, a steel polished crank, competition cam, and Manley stainless valves. Sitting on top of the power plant is a medium riser dual quad manifold with a complete pair of Holley 600 CFM carbs. Hooker competition headers complete this deadly combination. If you happen to see Eric's car in your rearview mirror, look out, because you could get dusted. This car not only barks, it bites.